Good morning, guys. We're on our annual hunting trip with the kids, and we caught us a 20-inch rainbow this morning. We're going to show you the best way to process it and fillet it that I know how. But we'll get started. Alright, kiddos, so you take it. You cut up from the gills. Okay. Take them, run your knife through there. Cut that. And you'll take your knife right here. Flip him up.
And then
You cut his dorsal fin off.
because those are poisonous.
No, they're not.
Oh.
It's just hard to skin with it on there.
Yeah, but the skin comes off when you cook it. That's what Mama said when I caught one.
Look at the bones! Yeah, because we cooked it on fire.
Bones. Yeah. I like the smell.
I don't want it to stink.
I like the smell fish.
Okay. He's dead now. There's blood coming out of him.
If his jaws, if he's froze from the
He's
dead.
Cut that completely out of there. Get the bone and all.
His eye is
supposed to cut the bone. Is that not sharp?
His eye is
Fish bones are actually really easy to cut through.
And take that whole entire fin out just like that. It'll leave you a hole. Alright. Then you start down here.
I hope it doesn't happen. What?
Go all the way up to where you cut before. Split that open.
And then you just take your hands and get it off it.
Oh, we ain't done. This is just part of the process.
Oh, good. His mouth.
Alright, so we just gotta finish getting the guts
Stuff
out
out.
over.
And the heart.
Gills should come out too. There's gills.
Oh, that's a lot.
Alright,
Look at that.
now to make fillets out of trout, you take the head like this.
Nope.
After you break it, stick your thumb in there. Grab
Touchy his tail. Touchy his tail.
Don't touch it on this.
Of course, this is the biggest one I've ever tried to do this with.
Ow.
I was gonna go put my big one in Talbot's pond, but you can't actually eat the tail. Picking up this liver. What? Why are you picking up guts?
I don't like.
I've heard
people in China.
His head flew off. Daddy just done that.
Let me see the don't touch his
eyeball. He's dead.
I'm
eyeball. Take the eyeball out.
I know some people, like I think in China or other countries, they will leave the head on and the tail and they'll eat the body, the head, like all the head and then the tail. They'll eat the eye, the mouth.
I want to cut the eye out.
And they eat the tongue too, they eat the tongue.
Oh, I
want
the tongue
these
is
people
hard. The tongue's got like teeth in it.
for real, and they're real.
So once you rip that head off, with smaller ones, you can pull the skin off with it too, right?
Let me grab it up.
This one's just got a lot of
I want
fat.
meat on him and tough skin.
I want the skin.
I already said it.
Hey, how about we can cut it in little pieces?
My brother, he likes
I think that's enough. That's enough fish for everybody to get at least a little bit. That's a big one.
I really hope Eli
There's the bone.
If Eli doesn't get a deer, he's gonna be really sad since Ryder killed 2 bucks.
Oh, Eli got one.
Yeah!
Want to sit down?
Well, you got a deer?
Want me to go?
Can you let Sarah see the head?
You can lock him up.
Sarah wants to see the fish head.
That's gonna be some yummy. Yummy.
That's a big fish.
There's part of it.
Why'd you suck it?
Pick it up. That's big meat.
That's all that's me.
Ah, yes. Good. Get your hands in.
Push this eye
Put your
out.
hands in. Put your hands right here.
Push it.
There's the skin.
I don't even get it.
Ready?
There you go.
Oh.
Let's get some of that skin.
Titus.
Whoa.
We can't eat the skin. It looks like a jacket. Well, here's some
Now we're gonna
jacket.
pierce him on down through
I want
here.
to see the deer. The deer, the deer, the deer. What's up?
Now you just gotta finish getting that out, and you're done.
We dropped it.
I want to go see the deer. Want to go see a deer?
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Let's go see a deer.
I have a deer at my house. Oh.
What about the bones?
Daddy.
The bones,
Mommy, get
You
the
just
head. Get
eat
the
around them.
head.
These are big enough to where you can eat around.
Get the head.
Well, isn't
I
there
don't
a
wanna
way you can
put
get
the
them
head
out?
off. I don't want to
Not
put
really.
the head off.
Not unless you take
Get the head
and do
there.
this.
Mommy, that's called a good boy, but it is a dove. Ugh. They got a big fish.
Elijah, don't do
It's a
that.
liver.
Yeah, don't do that. Put it with the guts.
Ew. That's nasty. Yeah.
Catch a fish?
Yes.
20-inch.
Is it a trout?
Oh yes.
Yes. Look at his tail.
20-inch.
He caught it. I
He caught it?
Mhm.
Whoa, how do you, gosh, that's good frying. We're gonna fry that thing right up.
did. Look at this. We can hang this thing up. Well, that was cool.
Where's that fishing pole you
I
caught it
call
with?
that.
I caught it with nose.
So what are you doing now?
I'm just filleting it.
I see.
Is it that orange one?
Yes.
Yeah.
So does that get it away from the bone?
Yep. Get you two perfectly good fillets of meat.
Mommy, I want to hang this up on my wall.
Well, okay. We'll have to let it dry out, I guess.
But what?
Cut the rest of the meat off of it.
fish tail.
Oh, hey, who caught this fish?
I did.
Who did?
I did.
How big was it?
A 20.
A 20-inch trout.
And that's what you got left. Bones and
Mommy.
spine. So that is how we harvest the fish. And this fish is going to be eaten. We're going to eat it tonight. None of it will go to waste except for the guts. But
Mommy,
we are very thankful God let us harvest this fish.
And except,
It's
we're
such a
gonna eat
blessing
the
to be able
liver
to get out and
too.
do this with
We're
family
gonna
and
eat
friends.
the
And
liver too.
we just have a good time together. We hope y'all enjoy these videos. And thank you for watching.
If you enjoy watching videos like this, we encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe as much as possible to see all of our new content. Thank you and God bless.